Mr. Lockwood?
Call me Jeff. What can I do for you? I have a question for you.
Be right back, darling.
Okay. Would you like an easier life? Cheaper products? And think about this, a higher employment rate. Yeah. Then you need the open hearth furnace. The what? Hold on a sec. Hello, sir. I'm William Siemens.
Oh my goodness, you're the one who gave me my job. You created this fine open hearth furnace, sir.
Why, thank you. But do you know how this works?
No, sir.
Well, we take iron and limestone and we put it into these magnificent open hearth furnaces that go up to 1600 degrees Fahrenheit. Yep. And that's how we make our steel now.
Wow, sir.
Do you know how this makes our lives better?
Well, yes, sir. The old Bessemer method used to take a few hours, but bad steel. This one takes a little bit longer, but it makes much better steel, and you can get custom requirements to what the customer wants. And it's fine, strong. You can make railroads, trains, buildings, machines. Railroad tracks can be made 700% cheaper, from $170 a ton to $30 a ton now. And the tracks themselves can be built 500 times faster now. So I'd say it's pretty good, sir.
Oh, yes it is. And you're a fine lad, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Ma'am, it is 1862, and we've had numerous advantages with using steel, which we make with the innovative open hearth furnace. What do you imagine for years to come?
I imagine soaring buildings up to the heavens, flying metal birds, and horseless carriages that zip around the corner faster than the eye can see.
That'd be wonderful.
It would be.
And what would this all be made of?
The strongest thing out there, steel, thanks to the open hearth furnace.
So I take it you would support this machine.
I am behind you 100%. Is this tea exceptional?
Yes it is. Looky here. This article's on the open hearth furnace.
Well, what about it?
It says here, though it had to compete with the Bessemer process, it was still very successful.
Oh, and it also says phosphorus could be decreased to 0.07 to 0.008 concentration with the open hearth furnace.
Yeah. The process is considered best adapted for the production of large and heavy pieces of steel.
Wow. And it says although being slower in its operation, the metal can be more easily tested and its quality more accurately regulated than any other process.
Also, exceptionally useful for converting old iron rails into steel. Wow. We're impressed. How about you?
This is a passage from the book The Age of Steel.